and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl, Shay Miller Wright, and I'm back with another video. And guys, today we're going to talk about the reprogramming of the subconscious mind, right? And the really important thing is knowing what you need to be reprogrammed on. See, throughout our life, throughout our experiences, throughout all the things we go throughout relationships, friendships, just any experience. You could be somebody who stays in the house a lot, but through your small encounterments when you do go outside, whether it be at the grocery store, on the highway, no matter where you go, these experiences somehow affect us as humans, right? Affects us as humans, affect our nature, affect our decisions, affect our way of believing, affect our way of thinking, affect all of us in every bit of capacity that there's possible to be affected. We are affected by all things that are happening to us. Our bodies are simultaneously experiencing multiple different experiences all at one time, right? So with that being said, us having all these experiences and us being unaware and sometimes aware of things going on with us and things going on around us, right? It's always things going on. It's things happening in us. It's things are happening around us. Life is happening all the time. And whether you're focused and whether you're conscious and whether you're able to catch and really pay attention to what's going on with you and what's going on around you will be the key point into figuring out how you need to reprogram your subconscious mind, right? Everybody's subconscious mind is different. Everybody's conscious mind is different. Every person's different, right? Based on their experience, based on how they deal with things, how they handle problems, how they process thoughts, how they process emotions, their thinking process. Like, we as humans are all different. It's the way we love, the way we want to be loved, the way we receive love, the way we give love. All these things about ourselves, right? There's so many things that can be reprogrammed, rethought out, you know what I'm saying? So with the subconscious mind, the way you teach yourself is you teach yourself while you sleep, right? You will reprogram your mind on the thing in which you want to think about or the thing you want to be better about while you're sleeping. So the best way to do it is to listen to the audios. Like, so we read books all day long to improve our personal development. And that's conscious work, right? You're consciously working on yourself and constantly improving yourself throughout the day. But the greatest way to improve yourself is to do it unsubconsciously, right? You listen to those same books that you're reading in the daytime. You listen to the audio of that same book at night. Whether it be a book about finances, book about wealth, book about how to be a better friend, a better marketer, a better this, anything that you want to improve yourself on or improve your mind about, right? Even program your mind into believing that you are a great person and knowing that you are a great person, that you're emotionally intelligent, you're an emotionally great person, like you're emotionally stable, like teaching your brain to believe things that you may not believe right now, right? And it really has a lot to do with the belief. Self-belief has to do with the mind. You have to program the mind to believe the things in which you want in life. You have to program your mind. But you have to also have a belief in yourself. You have to speak it, believe it, and see it in your mind. But you have to program your mind to be on the same track with you as you're throughout the day. Your consciousness, your conscious self is going to be working on it when you're awake, when you're working, when you're alive, right? Your body is going to be moving, navigating what the subconscious mind is being programmed to do. And when you program yourself to do things or to think things, you set yourself up to succeed. But if you don't do these things, if you don't fix it, you don't work on these things, then you kind of set yourself for failure because you're living in habits, you're living in old ways, you're living in that's just the way I am, instead of fixing it, right? And the only real way to do it is to program it here. Because if you can get in here, you got it forever. But if you can't get it in your mind and it stick, it won't last. Because having things in your heart is important, right? But what's in here matters more so. But if it lives in your heart and it lives in your mind, you're better off.